on these quests, as I'm learning, you're learning as well, right? And don't worry, I'm going to be putting the link in the description and in the comment section of this place. So we're in kind of like this lounge area, and I'm going to go into one of the rooms now, and we have a slide door. And when you come out, you're basically seeing all of this area right here. So let's just take a quick walk through the slide door. In the bedroom is a king size bed, and there's this huge conversational piece painting. And to let in the natural light, there are glass tiles over that side. Now, in the bathroom is pretty much laid out like a traditional bathroom. Lovely faucet area. And you know what I mean, so we talk about that rain shower head right there. So it's laid out nicely. And remember, persons, you can just go in the description and